So today we are at Vernon Newsom Stadium in the community room just to honor and celebrate and thank our maintenance and custodial department for all of the work that they put in during the last week during the winter storm.
Huckabee Architects are our sponsors today. I think I give a lot of tribute to them for the fact that we are back in our buildings, maybe because of the build jobs that were done on those.
The maintenance staff here in Mansfield are just exceptional, probably world class and best in the state for what we see.
They had things going on at their own homes, but they were also coming in and taking care of all of our buildings and making sure that everything was ready for students to return this coming Monday.
All our staff across the district, we thank you, and thank you for everything you do. And I know that in each and every one of your hearts that our students come first and always have and always will.
We just want to say thank you for all your hard work and everything that you do in Mansfield ISD. We just can't thank you enough and just really appreciate everything that you do.
I just want to thank everybody so much for the long hours, the cold weather that you endured, the treacherous drive that you probably had just getting into work, just to make sure that everything was taken care of and ready for students and staff to come back into the buildings. It really means a lot that you care that much about Mansfield ISD to just put in all that time and all that effort. We really, really appreciate it.